This is Roy Akers with you as we're doing our aerial footage of Commerce Township at Baypointe Country Club. As you have Commerce Road right out front, we're going to take a look at not only Baypointe today, but we're also going to go out to the Commerce Drive-In. We're going to take a look at some of the properties up and around these two landmarks out in Commerce Township. I think we pass them all the time. I love Baypointe Country Club. I haven't really played it a whole lot. I played it twice when I was doing golf for the Oakland Press, and that was a tremendous amount of fun. I love it. It's a classic golf course. Classic. It was a private country club for a long, long period of time. And you have all the water that surrounds most of the golf holes. And, of course, there's tree line, as most country clubs are, as basically the big form of defense for the country club is the tree line fairways. And if you can't hit them straight, you're going to be hitting them around or under trees. So that's what you've got on all that. We're going to kind of pan around to the left is off into the background or picture. It's just disappeared, but that's where the Commerce Drive-In was, and we're going to be heading over that way momentarily. We are going back to the country club, so don't think we're not going back. We certainly are. I'm Roy Akers with you of Coldwell Banker. Want to thank everybody for tuning in this morning, and we're going to have ourselves just a little bit of fun out there. We're going to slowly go over to the Commerce Township Drive-In. We have CJ's Brewery. We have another business. There's Wonderland Lanes in the center of your picture right now. So taking a look, and we're going to head on over. A lot of the lakes, I mean, they're all over the place out in this particular area in Commerce Township, as we're going to slowly do our little dipsy-do over that. And a lot of industrial properties, as we have Haggerty behind us, taking a look at all the lakes, and of course the golf holes at Baypointe Country Club. And the McDonald's on the corner, that's just panned in and now panned off your particular screen. So that's where we have it. I'm able to share my drone videos and commentary with you as a lifetime resident of this area. I love our community. If you're looking to buy a home, I'm your guy. I know the area and its amenities like no one else. If you're considering selling your home, let's sit down so we can discuss our housing market and how I can help you guarantee you the best possible price in the shortest amount of time. Hire the guy with the expertise to deliver unequaled service. As we're going to get right now back to the story itself and taking a look, as we are almost over the Commerce Drive-In. Unlike the Pontiac Drive-In in Waterford, just west of Telegraph, which is pretty much all overgrown with trees, and there are a few bald spots. The Commerce Drive-In, I mean, you've got some walking paths, I guess, back there, pretty much cleared property, and so the community is still able to take some pretty good use of it. But you're taking a look at this property at about a little over 200 feet in the air, and momentarily we will bring this drone down just a little bit. You see the Detroit Gun Club off into the background right now, and some of the industrial properties. And in the very background, you see Haggerty Road. As we're going to go back and forth, we're going to take another peek at the Commerce Drive-In momentarily. As let's get the drone out there. Doing a lot of maneuvers. A little bit of wind out this morning on a chilly day is what we have in the middle of June. I'm actually wearing a fleece, and it doesn't happen very often in June, on Sunday, June 14th, but that's where we're at right now, and we're going to continue taking a look, doing the panoramic view of all of the Commerce Township area around where we're flying our drone today, as we've done just about an entire 360. And Detroit Gun Club, now you're going to be looking out toward the Novi area for you right now, and there's the Commerce Drive-In. And once again, it is pretty much an area of where there's nothing on it anymore. And so you're getting a great peek at this particular piece of property, as we're going to have the drone come down and momentarily. And you're catching that at just over about 135 feet in the air. That cell phone tower is about 25 feet below where we're flying right now, but I definitely do not want to get mixed up with that. And but there you go. You have just a great vantage point on what's going on with the drive-in property. If you're looking to kind of say, hey, Roy, come on out. I got a great shoot for you. Got a great idea. Please get a hold of us. You got the contact information on the Facebook, and we will get that out to you. Be more than happy to shoot an area if it's FAA compliant and it's legal to do so. We'll come on out and shoot a project for you. I also shoot weddings. I shoot houses and all that. So golf courses, my golf show. I've done some of the finest golf courses in the state of Michigan with PGA pros and all that. Well, we are just about set to start heading back over to Baypointe momentarily. We're going to do that as we're going to cross the road. One thing about country clubs, they basically match up the holes, do like matchsticks around the property. They go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. The one thing about Baypointe that I really like is we are at about 380 feet up into the air right now, is that this course, it's not only do you have the water, you see all the trees that are guarding. So if it's a dog leg left like you see in the center of your screen, the trees are guarding it. So that if you try to cut it short, you're going to make a big mistake and make possibly a really big number. Also, Baypointe is the home of severe undulated greens. And if you think you're going to putt right at the hole, well, you better think twice, because I know that there's a lot of subtle undulation in all the holes. Look at the water that you have. Union Lake into the background, a couple lakes now peeking out onto the left side and the right, as Union Lake Road will split right along the golf course. And then as you go back into the neighborhoods, and saw some beautiful swans this morning. And we'll continue to move right along. The real estate market is really hopping up right now. It's people were waiting for COVID to go through. It has, and now we have ourselves a free-for-all, but it's still a seller's market, everybody. Make sure you check out my realtor report. It's Commerce Township. I will compare that most likely to White Lake or West Bloomfield coming up on my next video, and I'll take a look at stats from RealComp. We'll go through that, and we'll have some nice video B-roll for you and kind of give you an idea of what's going on. Well, right now we are looking at some of the industrial areas. That was Wonderland Lanes. Now we've come right back up. We're taking a look one more time at the drive-in, the lakes, and we're going to fly back over the property momentarily. As we're not going to try to interfere with some golfers. I saw some taking off about 10 minutes before I started my flight. I went over to the golf course briefly, and traffic's kind of light in the morning today, but now we're flying, and you're getting just a excellent vantage point of the various golf holes at Baypointe. Clubhouse on the right side. I've DJ'd a couple weddings there, but that was years ago when I was a young man, and not a bad place to book a wedding for sure, or a party. And look at these lakes. Just absolutely beautiful. Going to take a look at one of the golf holes. I can't remember if coming up is 1 or 10. Here it is. It's in the right side of your picture, and you tee off on the left side, and you drive it up, and there's trees guarding both ways of the fairway. And the landing spot where you see the water, well, the fairway is cut in half in front of the green. And so you either got to go for the green or go short, or you're going to bring that water into play. And once again, you see the tee box going all the way up the fairway. The water's on the right side of your picture. But there's 3 or 4 golf holes. This pond is really something. It's breathtaking to walk along. There's a lot of waterfowl. And as you cross Commerce Road, where the tree line is in the center of your screen, that's where you see Jennifer's Cafe, and you'll see 7-Eleven and all that. There's Wonderland Lanes. Ordinarily, I do a lot more bebopping around, but I did not want to do a lot of that today. It is fairly windy outside, and so that's what we have in this particular circumstance. But we're going to kind of come on up and take a look at another